Hey Gems! So today we are changing out this water filter. I watched a few YouTube videos and I think I'm confident enough to do this. And y'all gonna do it with me. We're gonna do this together. Okay? Let's go. I'm gonna walk y'all through how it went, what I learned, and honestly, it wasn't as scary as I thought it would be, but we got it done. So first things first was this bucket. I had to put this bucket underneath to collect any water that might spill, but my bucket wouldn't fit because my unit was too close to the floor and too close to the wall. So I had to get this tin pan and sit it underneath to collect any water that might spill. And I was just praying and hoping that when I turned this water off and I took this cap off, that this water didn't spill everywhere all over my floor. This next step is one of the biggest steps. You have to make sure you turn off the unit before starting. Must make sure it's off. Once you do that, you remove the cap with this little contraption that they gave us, like a gripper. I had to fast forward the video because y'all, I was struggling trying to get this top off and it made it look easy. And once I saw some of that water trickling down, baby, I was excited, okay? Nervous, but excited. I think this part right here was the most annoying part because you had to wait till the water slowed down before you took the cap off. Now, if you know me, you know that I could not stand here and wait for this water to slow down. So I went in and I started giving it a little boost. And I just took the top off and whatever spilled, I said I'll just clean that up because it was slow enough for me. And I just poured it in the bucket. Make sure and have the bucket and a towel handy. And that's what I did. Now get your towels and dry the wall behind it. Make sure and get all that water up because any water that sits, we don't want mold. Y'all look at this filter. Oh my gosh. This is the new filter. This is the old filter. Blech. Now we're moving on to the other filter. This one wasn't as hard because, I'm a pro now. Yo, watch this action water dripping that I caught on camera. Baby, y'all see that? Y'all see that? Ow. Now this filter wasn't as dirty as the first filter, but it still was dirty. So now I'm just cleaning this out and I'm going to add the new filter in and put everything back together. Y'all, this filter smelled so bad. Ugh. Yeah, never again. 3 months. 3 months. Well. All right, y'all. Moment of truth. I turned the water back on and I literally stood there staring at it, waiting for it to leak. But it didn't, y'all. It didn't. I let the water run for a few minutes while it flushed the system and it worked perfectly. That relief, priceless. Priceless. I felt like a whole DIY queen in that moment. All right, y'all. So we gonna pray that that was done right. Yeah. nervous. Like, what is going on? Is anybody else like me? Once you start cleaning one area, then you just continue on cleaning that area. So I started mopping the water up, and that just turned into a whole new clean the laundry room. So I started dusting and wiping, and then I was like, you know what? Let me go get some pumpkins and try to decorate this laundry room for fall. So that's what I ended up doing. So this is like a 2-for-1 video, kinda. There you go. You're welcome. Well, I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something today. Tackle some of those DIYs, y'all. We can do this. Just watch some of them videos, take your time, and save some coins. All right, guys. See y'all on the next vlog.